Hi and welcome to LiteHawk. Today we're talking about the new LiteHawk Blast. This is a two-wheel drive off-road buggy featuring super high speeds, independent suspension, and as of course with all LiteHawks, replaceable parts. Now I'm just going to move this aside. I've got one over here that's already been pulled out. In the box you will get your buggy, your radio, a battery, and there's two parts, but here's our charger is this part here, okay, and you're going to plug the AC adapter in to the one side, okay, and on the other you're going to see this white plug here. This is actually what we call balance charger. There's two cells in this battery, and when it charges it's going to charge the two cells. You're going to have your wall plug adapter into a wall, you're going to be into your charger, and then now your battery's plugged into here. This plug over here is only used when you actually hook up the battery to the buggy. So there's two different plugs for two different things. When you get your buggy, you're going to notice that the finish on the body is kind of a matte type finish, and on here is, and you can just use your fingernail, on here is a protective coating that is just to make sure that when you receive the body, all the paint comes just like the way it was made in the factory. So this is something that's quite common in the hobby industry, and we've actually carried it on with our LiteHawk Blast Brute and Igniter. You'll see the bottom of the chassis is completely flat. We do this because we don't want it to get stuck on obstacles or have things torn or ripped. To get at the battery door, we're just going to pull this pin and remove the retaining arm. Okay, the door will open up, and here's our battery connector right here. Plug our battery in, but that's plugged in, and then just push the battery towards the back, and then neatly tuck in the wires. You're going to push that down, and then we put the lock bar in, and then we can put the pin on. Okay, so that's how we put in our battery. Our on-off switch is located right up in here. Okay, and we want to make sure we turn on the radio. The button for the radio is down here at the bottom. Okay, and then we turn the radio on first, and then we plug in our vehicle, and we're off to go. Till next time, visit us for more helpful tips at litehawk.ca.